All right, hello YouTube land. We made it out to Fort Cobb State Park. We are in spot 13, or sorry, not spot 13. Actually, I'll put where we are. We're on the very edge of the, actually, there we go. We're on the very edge of the water here. Pro so far, it's real nice with the water and everything. Cons though, unfortunately people kind of trashed it up a little bit. People have been fishing on the edge, and there's some trash that we had to pick up, unfortunately, which we'll toss once we're done. There's a boat going by. And we are near the cove area over there. We're near the cove area, which is behind us, so boats are usually going in and out. And then finally, apart from the trash, what else is there?
The bathrooms are not currently open. So
the bathrooms are currently closed for winter. So
in
this campsite. So there's only one bathroom open in the White Catfish campground area, which is the RV area. So if you need to shower or dry, or shower or go to the bathroom, you gotta drive up there. Yep, and they take quarters. All right, more to come as the night continues. Cooking here soon. Hello YouTube land, it's the morning and the bed is deflated. We're sitting on the ground. Night went well. Got a little colder than we were expecting. What'd I say, 43? Something like that. Got like into the low 40s. Although it was, the dogs are running around. It was it was in the mid 50s until 3 or 4 in the morning, and then it dipped. So now we're gonna go up to the bathrooms and get the day going. All right, morning is complete. Everyone is fed. I think there's some dogs down there. It's very nice this morning. Nice little breeze. Cleaned up the campsite a little bit. People trashed it, so we also are cleaning up some of the cans and things that we found. And had breakfast burritos, so with some fruit, and now we're cleaning up. So should be out of camp here in about an hour. We're gonna go to the other side. Should we also go to the west side, like the other bank? Yeah, we might drive along the dam over there. Let me show you where the dam is. There also appears to be a funnel for the dam as well. So we're gonna drive over there, see what's there to see. More to come.